first term to be understood by all students of Ayurveda is not the word Ayurveda itself, but rather it's the word Ayu. Ayu in simple language means lifespan, which is a parameter derived from the element Kala or time. So, what does the term Ayu mean? The term Ayu is derived as Ingatau, which means that which goes on. Shabdakalpadhruma reference states Ayu as Jivita Kalaha. In short, we can say that Ayu is span of Jivita or life which goes on or that does not wait. Acharya Charaka has quoted in Sutrasthana first chapter as follows. Sharirendriya sattvatma samyogho dhari jivitam nityagascha anubandhascha padyaye ayuruchyate. There are two aspects of Ayu explained in this sloka. They include the synonyms of the term Ayu as well as the composition of Ayu. Coming to the synonyms, they are dhari, that which sustains or prevents the body from destruction. Jivita, that which does all functions to keep alive. Nityaga, that which is existent from birth to death. Anubandha, that which maintains the bandha or the link between all the components of Ayu. So, what are these components of Ayu? Sharirendriya sattvatma samyoge. Ayu is the anubandha of these four components. Sharira, the structural body which undergoes continuous destruction. Indriya, this includes the Jnanendriyas and Karmendriyas. Jnanendriyas include Nasa, Jihva, Akshi, Tvak and Shrotra. Karmendriyas include Vak, Pani, Pada, Upastha and Payu. Sattva is the Mana. It is responsible for manana or expression of knowledge. Atma, this refers to Jivatma which is derived from the Paramatma. These four components are responsible for the sustenance of Ayu of an individual. Let's look back at what we learned from this video. We came to know what Ayu means and how it is derived grammatically. We looked into the sloka of Charaka Samhita which explains the synonyms and the components of Ayu. Check out this Wikipedia screenshot to know about the average lifespan or Ayu of humans in different yugas. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.